What is up? I realized that my sense of smell and potentially taste was a little bit off since I've gotten COVID. Your boy has COVID. I think I still have like fever and chills. My throat is silly. I occasionally cough as well. We love to see it. This is a great start of 2023. I love it. I love it. Ugh. Ron, my roommate, basically was like, hey, why don't you try a shot soy sauce? And I was like, sure. I was thinking it was gonna be like a tablespoon or something. No, he came back with this. What the f is this? This? I'm not gonna take a shot of that. I don't want my stomach to be upset with me. I'm just gonna take a sipperoo. Cheers to 2023. What a f***ing weird year this is. Oh. I can... Why did you do that? Why did it take a second? I can still taste it on my... Okay, never mind.